Hey there, ever wonder why a ball keep rolling, or why your backpacks feels heavier when it slugs? That all thanks to Newton's laws of motion. There are three simple rules that explain how almost ever moves. Let's break them down. Isaac Newton was a brilliant science 16th. Legend says an apple fell on his head and he started thinking about gravity and motion. Whether or not the apple part is true, his three laws completely changed how we understand the physical world. Then, Newton's first law is basically saying a object at rest stay at rest, and an object in motion stay in motion, unless acted on by a force. This is called the law of inertia. Imagine you slide a hockey puck on ice and it keeps moving because they bury any friction. But on the rug, it stops quickly because the rug pushes back. So objects don't just start or stop on their own. They need a force like a push, a pull or friction to change their motion. Like this ball. Here is our rest, and then a force is applied to the right, and the ball starts to have acceleration. Or the second one, the ball is falling down and have initial acceleration, and then the acceleration is going down because of the friction. That is a positive force. Then finally, the ball finally rests. Okay. There's Newton's second law. Force equals mass times acceleration. Or what's like F equal M multiplied by A. The second Newton law is basically a formula. This law tells us how much something will move when you push. If you push a light box, it moves easily. Push a heavy box with the same force, it moves slower. That's because it has more mass, which means more resistance to change. Once you go faster, twitch harder. This law is why race cars are light and rockets need rush engines. So look here. There's two guys. They are using the same force, but there's two boxes with different weights. The first one is 100, and the second one is 5. They start same time, but as you can see, the first one is farther. The displacement is greater because it's light. His box is light. Let's go to the next one. Newton's third law is basically like for every action there's an equal and opposite reaction. This one is easy to see. Jump off a ball and the ball moves back. Push against a wall, it pushes back, even if it doesn't move. This is the reason rockets launch. The engines push gas down and the rocket moves up. Look here in the drawing. There's a guy in the sky moving to the right. Then he's about to jump. And after he jump, he's continuing to go to the right, but the skateboard goes to the opposite direction. Then that's Newton's law. So let's see real world examples. These laws aren't just for science. They everywhere. In sports, in driving, in space, in rockets. I'm gonna show you how. In sports, a soccer ball one move until kick it, and that is caused by Newton's first law. In driving, a seatbelt stops you when the car suddenly stops. That makes sense if you follow Newton's first and second law. In space, astronauts float forever unless something stops them. This follows Newton's first law. and balance in rockets, and just push fuel one way, rock goes the other. And that's follows the Newton's third law. The fusion go down and the rocks go up. So, yeah. So, by let's make a recap of each Newton's law. The first law, the inertia, things don't move or stop unless something makes them. The second law, the formula, is F force equal M multiplied by A, mass multiplied by acceleration. Bigger force means more acceleration, but heavier things need more force. The third law, push something and it's pushed back. Simple, right? But these laws explain almost everything about how things move. Then, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy and learn something, and thanks for your time.